Okay, now I can continue. So in this one, let me show you that this one. Okay, so we know that this is the x-axis, this is x-axis. Okay, this is x-axis. Okay, this is y-axis. This is y, right? This is x dash. This is y dash, right? So if you remember the this one triangle we took of 1 centimeter, right? And then we try to draw a perpendicular from this, right? Remember, right? And this angle we took, and this angle we took this angle theta. We took this angle as theta, right? Now I told this time here h was 1, that means the radius was 1, right? Unit radius. Okay, so it was unit radius. Then what is sine equal to? And it is so it was h, it was p, and it was b, base, right? Perpendicular hypotenuse as base. So what is sine equal to? Sine theta. Sine theta equal to, what? Perpendicular by height, right? So sine equal to, if h is 1, sine will be p, right? So what is the value of this p? Now I'm drawing the same here. Now again, this is x, this is x dash, and this is y, y dash. Now can anyone tell me what is the value of p in this point? In this point, what is the value of p? What is the value of p? P means perpendicular. You can see this triangle, right? Suppose this H is this. What is the value of P here? Can anyone in the chat box? What is the value of P on that point? This point. What is the value of P? Let me know. This is very important point. Anyone? What is the value of P on that point? Okay, fine, no problem. The value of P is 0. Why is 0? Check out this diagram. Oh my goodness. Yeah, now I can start. So what I was talking about, I was talking about this circle, and I told that in this circle we took that this base, sorry, this hypotenuse is 1. That means the radius of the circle is 1, right? We took like this. So what I was asking that suppose what in this point, what is the value of P? What is the value of P at this point? What is the value of P? P value is 0. Why 0? If you focus on this diagram, this this is hypotenuse here, right? So if when suppose this line is OA, right? So when OA line is along with x-axis, so OA line was here at OA dash point. Okay, so when OA dash was the radius, what was the perpendicular? If this line and x-axis is same, perpendicular, there was no perpendicular. Understood? That means that in that point perpendicular was 0. Okay, what is the value of B? Look, base, I told this is base, so base value was 1. So at this point P value is 0. Okay, P value is 0 and B value will be, here P value will be 0 and B value will be 1. Okay, so at this point it will be, here P equal to 0 and B base value equal to 1. Understood? Similarly, what will be the value of P here? What will be the value of P here? In this point, what is the value of P? P will be 1 and base will be 0. Okay, why P will be 1? Because look, if you focus on, if you see this radius OA, okay, after some time when it will go here, when it will go here, okay, so it will be the radius and it is the perpendicular. Understood? So here perpendicular value will be yeah, perpendicular P will be 1 but B will be 0. Similarly here, when the line will be here, P will be 0. Okay, perpendicular P will be again same. Here in this point P will be 0 and B will be -1. Okay, why -1? Suppose we are taking this is positive, so this side will be negative. Okay, so similarly this side is positive, so this side is negative. Am I clear? So here here in this point it will be P0 and B negative, and in this point again it will be B0 and sorry, first write P. Here P will be -1 and B will be 0. Am I clear? So this diagram is very important. Okay, this diagram is very important. This diagram. Now you can see that now what is the value of tan 90? Tan 90 we know undefined, right? Why undefined? Look, tan 90 means the point will be here, right? And here P1 but base is negative. We know that tan is equal to P by B, right? So here undefined, and where undefined, here also undefined, tan and cot, right? Similarly, where cos is undefined, sorry, where sec is undefined, where base is 0, right? Here and here in these 2 points sec and tan is undefined. Okay, and where cosec is undefined, cosec is undefined here. Why? Because cosec means hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. So where perpendicular is 0, in that 2 point cosec is undefined. Similarly at this 2 point cot also undefined. Am I clear? So now why we are talking about this? Because now we will learn about the sine cos curve. Sir, your yellow color means this tan. Yellow color means okay, fine, I'll use the different. You're talking about this. Let me know which color you're talking about. You're talking about this tan. This is okay, this is tan. This is okay, this is tan. Tan, we know that tan means what? Perpendicular by base. Okay, so wherever the base is 0, we know any number divided by any real number divided by 0 is undefined. Okay, so whenever denominator this b in this which 2 point b is 0, b is 0 is here. Okay, and here in this 2 point this is pi by 2 and this is 3 pi by 2. So at this 2 point tan will be undefined. Okay, similarly at this 2 point sec also undefined, because sec means we know sec means how much? Sec means hypotenuse divided by base, right? So in this 2 point, pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, sec also undefined. So, and you can see this 2 point perpendicular is 0. That means cosec means what? Cosec, well, I will write with the better cos. Cosec equal to what? Cosec equal to you know that hypotenuse by perpendicular, right? That means these 2 point, this point and this point, you can see perpendicular is 0. That means in these 2 point, that means 0 and pi, cosec is negative, cosec is undefined. If you have the table in your book, you just open your table and check the points. Everyone open, those who are joining here, please open your that table I gave you, and then whatever I'm talking, please open your table and let me know what is the value of cosec 0 and cosec pi. Let me know what is the value of cosec pi, cosec pi 0 and cosec pi value from your table. Let me know. Let me see. Yeah, not defined or undefined, right? So look in the diagram, you can see why undefined, because here we know that cosec is hypotenuse by perpendicular, and look in this 2 point, perpendicular is 0. Understood? So similarly you can find out the other value like tan pi by 2 or tan 3 pi by 2. This value also you will find that they are undefined. Okay, so this diagram is, understanding this diagram is very much important. Now we will, now I will show you another things. Wait. Now I'm not writing the this one, I'm just writing the values of angles. Okay, so that it will be easy to understand. So here this value is 0, this value is pi by 2, this is pi, this is pi, and this is 3 pi by 2. You can tell this 0, this is also 2 pi, this is also 0 degree or 2 pi. Okay, because this is the rotation, so this is pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi. Okay, now let me know what is the sine 3 pi by 2 value and sine pi by 2 value. In the comment box, please let me know what is sine 3 pi by 2 value. sine 3 pi by 2 value and sine pi by 2 value. Sine 3 pi by 2 value is 1 minus 1, right? And sine pi by 2 value is 1, right? Look, the sine from this side, from this is 3 pi by 2. Okay, I'm not writing the angle again. This is 3 pi by 2, this is pi by 2. So from here, sine value increase minus 1 to 1 this side, right? You can see the curve here. You can see the curve here, that here perpendicular is 0, here perpendicular 1. Look, sine value is depend on perpendicular, right? Understood? Because we took here hypotenuse as unit. So perpendicular is 1. And hello sister, hello sister, yes sister, yes, who says to leave? No, no, he went to home. Oh, but yeah, but sister, actually this 90 to no one told to get by us. Yes, that's Sudeep used to take 90 on that. But which mark are you talking about? Science, right? But yeah, but the thing that itself that these were all done in the combined right? So I think I can solve that. Yeah, you say 90 biology. Yeah, Miss Kalina, I will talk to you more. Okay, this is it. No, 90, 90. Miss Kalina, 90. I'm talking about 90. 90 Miss Kalina. Okay, okay, okay. Very good. Oh, no, no, sister. Yeah, because no one informed me. I'll talk to her and find out. Okay, okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, sure. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, sister. I'll talk to you. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thanks. Okay, so sorry for one emergency call came. So what I was talking about this, you can see that sine value from here to here is increasing minus 1 to 1, and from this side, from here to here, from here to here, from this side to this side is 1 to minus 1, right? This side 1 to minus 1. Understood? So that is the thing. Understood? Similarly, what will be the cos if I draw the same diagram? Let me copy just this diagram. So this was this. Okay, now for cos this value is, for cos, what will be the values? For cos here is 1, here 0, here -1, okay, and here again 0. So cos, you can see cos value is increasing from here to here, -1 to 1 this side, and 1 to -1 from this side. Okay, now we'll move towards the sine and cos curve. Okay, so for that reason I'm just for just give me once again. Okay, so next, so today last topic I'll discuss, that is sine curve and cos curve. So let me draw. Okay, let's take these angles. This is 0, this is 0, 0 degree, this is 90, this is, I'm taking 90, 90, then 180, then 270, 360. Okay, only this, and left hand side, I'm taking -90, then -180, Okay. Okay. So, and here I'm taking here I'm value, I'm taking 1, and this value is -1. I hope one thing you notice that sine value is between -1 to 1 or 1 to -1, right? What is the value of sine at 0 degree? Sine 0 is 0, right? What is the sine 90 degree? 90 degree is 1 here, right? What is the sine 180 degree? Here, sine 180 degree you will find here again, and sine 270 value you will find here, -1, right? And again 360 is 0. So sine curve is look like this. Sine curve is look like this. Okay, I hope you can understand this is not so smooth. Okay, but it is look like this. Similarly on left hand side also, negative side, negative side also same thing, that from here to here, because sine minus 90 degree -1, sine minus 180 is 0, and then sine minus 270 is 1, and sine 360 is this. So this is sine curve from up to this. So okay, so this is sine curve. Am I clear? Similarly, cos curve, is fine. Similarly, cos curve, if you see the cos value, if you give the cos value, so let's give this is 1 and this is -1, right? So what is the cos value of 0? Cos value 0 is 1, right? And 90 degree is 0, right? And 180 degree is -1 here. 270 degree is cos 270, how much? 270 is again 0, and then cos 360 is 1. So cos curve is like this. Okay. Similarly, cos 90 is cos minus 90 is 0. Then cos minus 80 is -1. Minus 270 is 0, and 360 is this. Okay. So this is our sine. Sorry, this is our cos curve. Okay. You can see cos 90 degree is 0. Cos 180 degree is -1, cos 270 is 0, and cos 360 1. So this is our cos curve.
or cosine curve. Cos good name is cosine, right? Okay, so let me copy this one. Okay, so tan curve, we will discuss tan curve